Bitcoin reclaims $20,000, could it lose support again? Bitcoin and other major altcoins have been on a consistent free fall and even hit multi-yearly lows. BTC even touched $17,000 mark this month. However, the King coin has now reclaimed its $20,000. Over the last week, the coin lost 22% of its value, but on the daily chart it gained close to 7%. Technical outlook for the coin has picked up bullishness but still reflects signs of weakness. Many altcoins also jumped on their chart as Bitcoin showed signs of relief. Buyers also have returned to the market, but if buying strength drops again, BTC might find support close to $17,000. It is still difficult to say if the coin has bottomed out. This also included Ethereum that pushed up by 9% over the last 24 hours. The global cryptocurrency market cap today was at $950 billion with an increase of 6.1% change in the last 24 hours. BTC touched its 18-month low as the coin dipped near the $18,000 mark yesterday. Pressure from sellers have constantly pushed the price of the further below. Despite a jump back to the support level of $20,000, sellers are still in control of the market. Overhead resistance for the call stood at $22,000 and a fall from the $20,000 will cause BTC to trade near the $17,000 to $16,000 mark. BTC's trading volume also fell on the chart. The bar was seen in red. This was an indication that Bitcoin was still in control of the bears. On the smaller time frame, Bitcoin showed bullish signals. The relative strength index shot up heavily and touched the 50 line, which meant resurfacing of buyers in the market. Over the last 24 hours, however, there was a downtick on the RSI, which again signified a tiny fall in buying strength. As buyers increased in number, the price moved over 20 SMA line. This meant that buyers were driving the price momentum in the market. An increase in selling pressure would soon bring the price of BTC below the 20 SMA line, giving sellers the power to drive the price momentum. In accordance to bullishness, the coin had formed a descending channel pattern, yellow. This pattern is a bullish reversal pattern which points towards a chance of BTC rising further on its chart. Buying strength needs to increase for the price to remain steady above the $20,000 mark. The coin was optimistic on its chart at the time of writing. Reflecting the same awesome oscillator also displayed positive price action. Directional movement index indicates directional price movement of the coin. Plus DI was above the DI line and that meant bullishness. OW determines price trend and reversals. The indicator displayed green histograms which are also tied to a buy signal. ADX, red, was on the fall and was moving closer to the 40 mark. A fall below the 40 mark means that the current trend is losing its vigor and that BTC might again fall on the charts. Bitcoin consolidates near key juncture. Can the bulls make it? Bitcoin is struggling near the $21,000 resistance zone against the US dollar. BTC could rally if it clears the $20,900 and $21,000 resistance levels. Bitcoin is showing a few positive signs above the $20,000 support. The price is now still above the $20,000 level and the 100-hourly simple moving average. There is a connecting bullish trend line forming with support near $20,275 on the hourly chart of the BTC/USD pair, data feed from Kraken. The pair could start a fresh decline if it stays below the key $21,000 resistance zone. Bitcoin price started an upside correction after it traded as low as $17,600. There was a decent recovery wave above the $18,500 and $19,000 levels. The price surpassed the 50% Fib retracement level of the main drop from the $22,951 high to $17,600 low. The price even cleared the $20,000 level and the 100-hourly simple moving average. There is also a connecting bullish trend line forming with support near $20,275 on the hourly chart of the BTC/USD pair. However, the bears are now defending major gains above the $20,500 zone. Bitcoin is also struggling near the 61.8% Fib retracement level of the main drop from the $22,951 high to $17,600 low. An immediate resistance on the upside is near the $20,800 level. The first major resistance is near the $20,900 and $21,000 levels. A clear move above the $21,000 level could even push the price towards $21,800. Any more gains might send the price towards the $22,200 level in the coming sessions. Fresh decline in BTC? If Bitcoin fails to clear the $21,000 resistance zone, it could start a fresh decline. An immediate support on the downside is near the $20,275 level in the trend line. The next major support is near the $20,000 level in the 100-hourly SMA. A downside break below the $20,000 support could spark another decline. In the stated case, the price could test $18,800. Technical indicators. Hourly MACD – the MACD is now losing pace in the bullish zone. Hourly RSI, Relative Strength Index, the RSI for BTC/USD is now above the 50 level. Major support levels $20,275, followed by $20,000. Major resistance levels $20,900, $21,000 and $22,000.